Hi, it's Luna, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to find a Floor number in Python. What is a Floor number? A Floor number is a number equal or closest to you, or that is lower than you. Here's an example. Here's an array, and the Floor number of 4 would be 3 because it is the closest number that is smaller. Problem statement. Here is the input that you're going to get. This is an array that is in increasing order that we are calling A. Here is a target that we are calling T. If the target was 13, the floor number would be 12 because it is in between, because 13 is in between 12 and 19. Now, if the target was 10, the output would be 10 because 10 is in the array. Binary search. So the first step is you split the array in half. So, example, if the array was this, the array that we were using before, if A mid was 10, then this would be the left array, this would be the right array. Find out if you go left or right based on the middle value. So if T was 3 and mid was 10, you'd look at the left array. Terminate once you find a number. So right here is the number that you'll get for the next mid. And since 3 is in between 2 and 8, you would return 2. This is the code that we are going to be going through. So if T is 0, then return -1 because it is lower than the lowest value, and the lowest value is 1. High is the biggest value, which is 19. If T was 20, then it is bigger than the highest value, and then you return the highest value because the highest value is lower than 20. If mid, and then for this, let's say if the target was 10, mid would be 3, right? So mid is 10. So A mid is 10, and the value would be 3. So over here, if A mid is 10 and your target is 10, then you return 10 because it's in the array. Now, if your target is 11 and A mid is 10, A mid plus 1 is 12. So then you return A mid, which is 10. Now, if the target is 9, A mid is 10, right? So then if you want to find the value, the floor value, you look here, right? And since it's in between 8 and 10, then you return 8. Now, if T is 13, A mid is 10, you look at the floor number. You look for the floor number in the right array, which would be this side because 13 is in between 12 and 19. Now, if T was 3, you look for the floor number in the left array because 3 is in between 2 and 8. Thank you.